How to use Turbo VPN on multiple devices simultaneously. In this following video, I'll be showing you the ways to use your Turbo VPN on multiple devices simultaneously. So in that case, you have to make sure to install the following application on your device and make sure that you have already created or registered to Turbo VPN. When you're registered, then the Turbo VPN allows you to connect multiple devices on their VPN services using the same account. This means that you can use your VPN on different devices like smartphone, tablet, computers, and other devices at the same time, as long as they are connected to the internet service. However, to keep in mind that some VPN providers may have restrictions on the number of simultaneous connection allowing per account, and likewise, you'll not be able to do it with the free trial period. You have to make sure to get a premium account. Only then you can use the Turbo VPN on multiple devices simultaneously. So that's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.